Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to disable email notifications for tags on the Facebook app when you're using it on your PC. If you're tired of your inbox being flooded with Facebook tag alerts, this video will show you exactly how to turn them off in just a few simple steps. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once you're on your main homepage, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it to open a small drop-down menu. Next, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This section gives you access to all the tools you need to control how Facebook interacts with you, including notifications, privacy preferences, and more. After that, click on Settings to move one step closer to your goal. Once you're inside the Settings menu, look to the left-hand panel or down the list depending on your layout. Find and click on Notifications. This is where Facebook groups all your notification preferences, app alerts, push notifications, and of course, email updates. Now, from the list of categories, find the one labeled Tags. This section controls how and when Facebook notifies you when someone tags you in a post, comment, or photo. Click on Tags to open the options. Here, you'll see different ways Facebook can reach you through push, SMS, or email. To stop getting tag notifications in your email, simply turn off or uncheck the email option. The instant you do this, Facebook will stop sending you those tag alerts in your inbox, and that's it. You've successfully disabled email notifications for tags on Facebook using the new PC app update. No more unnecessary emails cluttering your account. Just the updates you actually want. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to share it with someone who's also dealing with too many Facebook notifications. It only takes a minute to clean up your settings, and you'll be glad you did.